Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I actually got something very simple, but it's very useful. Now, I've never actually used these things before, and I actually ended up wasting a lot of money and not thinking about that these actually exist. Now, not too long ago, I actually lost my windscreen of my DJI Pocket 2 mic, and unfortunately, they don't even sell this thing extra. And I think one person actually got to get a replacement piece from DJI after contacting the customer service, but other people, I guess, didn't have luck. And I didn't want to go through all of that, so I ended up buying another mic, and this is my old mic without the windscreen here. Now, another issue with the windscreen is it's huge, it's pretty huge, and it's not really like secure properly, so it comes off all the time, and it basically like gets in the way like of my hand when I'm trying to clip it on and stuff. In the end, I just don't feel good about like having this whole thing in here. This is my other DJI mic, pretty compact. I love using these, but issue is they have the same fuzzy thing. Now, these are actually a little bit low profile and they go on with glue. So we don't actually have to worry about, them coming off or anything. And even if they do, they're, really cheap, and we have a lot of these, so we can keep replacing them. Now, the main concern of all of this is the performance. Is it going to perform better than what I have right now? Probably not. But my GoPro and my Insta360, these are used for when I'm riding my motorcycle. So there's a lot of wind, and having something bulky like this doesn't make any sense. And on top of that, you can't really do this on a GoPro. I actually got my whole DJI mic because of my GoPro. And yeah, it's just not even getting used anymore. But what we're gonna do is basically find all the microphones around my GoPro and put them on. Before that, I'm gonna actually do this easiest one. This one just has this one mic, right? This is the same mic I'm wearing right now, and I'll just put one on this. And I don't even use this mic because I don't have the windscreen, but we'll try to figure this out right now. So all you do is take these sticker out one at a time, just like this. They have tape on both sides. So what we're gonna do is connect the fuzzy thing. These actually can be cut. So, that's a really good thing because, say it doesn't, you have a tiny little microphone, you can still use this. And this bottom pad is going to completely cover the microphone. So, you don't really have to worry about a lot of things here, which is good. Like avoiding the microphone opening or anything like that. That's pretty good. Now, the issue with this one is this is actually bigger than I thought. It's pretty big for this mic, but, it'll fit for sure. And I'll have to just basically keep an opening for the headphone jack, although I actually never use the headphone when I'm doing any audio work, so I could just actually put it, just slap it on like this, and call it a day. To make it easier, I'm actually going to install it on this thing first, the tape, and then take the other side out and then just put it all together. Okay, now I put it on. As you can see, the glue thing is on one side with the feather here, and now we're gonna take the other side, this cover off, and we're just gonna place it right on the mic here and call it a day. That's it. That's all you gotta do. There you go. It is on there pretty good. Just kind of press it in place, and that is it. Now this is the comparison between the two mics. See what the difference is? Check that out. Wow, that's pretty good. Well, I don't know about the performance. You could probably see that if I take a video on my GoPro or my Insta360 as I'm riding my bike or something. But I was actually going through my footage here on Insta360, and it sounded really bad with the wind because it was really windy that day. That's the reason why I ended up going with this. But I don't think I'll regret this purchase. We'll just see how it goes, and a little bit noise canceling on onboard microphone is not bad at all. So you could basically cut these out, get it to your shape that you need. If you gotta make it a little bit smaller like I did, and yeah, it'll work. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.